Hello students, today we will see in the errors and their rectification chapter, that is rectification of errors chapter, we will see how to rectify two-sided errors when in the entry is wrong in both debit and credit side. So when an account has wrongly been debited in place of another account, like machinery purchased has been debited to purchase account. In that case, what we will do? Machinery purchased was has been debited to purchase account. That means purchased purchase account shows 5,000 more debit balance. So we will credit the purchase account, and then we will we will credit the purchase account and we will debit the machinery account. So the entry will be machinery account to purchase account. As it happens in case of one-sided error, we keep one side as suspense, but in this case both the accounts will be debited or credited so that correct entry can be made. Again, when an account has been wrongly credited in place of another account, sales proceeds of all old furniture has been credited to sales account. That means the entry should have been cash account debit to old furniture, but the entry is cash account debit to sales. So here sales has been increased by 3,000, so we will decrease the sales. So we will debit sales account and we will credit the furniture account which would have been debited otherwise. Again, when there is a short debit in one account and a short credit in another account, like good purchase from Sanjay for 2,000 was entered in purchase book as rupees 200 only. So the rectifying entry is purchase account debit to Sanjay, and the amount will be 1,800, as the amount which should have been 2,000 has been written as 200. Again, when there is an excess debit in one account and an excess credit in another. So, like goods sold to Mohan for rupees 380 on credit was recorded in sales book as 830. That means in both Mohan and in both sales book, the difference is 830 minus 380. So the difference is 450. So excess by 450, the error has been done. So the entry will be sales account debit to Mohan by 450. So illustration 1 is given in the PDF file. You solve it and we will discuss it in live class. Thank you very much.